Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the updated steps on how to view your story views on Snapchat. Whether you're curious about who's been checking out your snaps or just want to track engagement, this guide will make it simple and straightforward. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. This is where all the magic happens. Once the app is open, make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can access all your Snapchat settings and features. Now, scroll down to the My Story section. Here, you'll see your current story displayed. Tap on your story to open it. This step allows you to view the content you've shared and access additional options. Once your story is open, look towards the bottom of the screen. You'll notice a small icon labeled Views, or an eye symbol with a number next to it. Tap on this icon. It will instantly pull up a list showing everyone who has viewed your story. If your story has received screenshots or replies, those details will also be displayed here. And that's it. You now know exactly how to check who's been watching your Snapchat stories. This feature is perfect for staying updated on your audience and tracking engagement with your content. Thanks for tuning in. If this video helped, be sure to share it with friends who might find it useful. See you next time.